Have you ever stopped to think about how much of your money is being drained by hidden fees from brokers? Many investors, especially beginners, focus only on gains and overlook these small charges that, over time, can significantly erode their profits. If you want greater control over your finances and to maximize your return on investment, ROI, you need to understand how these fees work and how to avoid them. Want to discover how not to fall into these traps and make your money work harder for you? Stay with me until the end. In this video, I'll show you the behind the scenes of broker fees, where they hide, how they impact your long-term earnings, and most importantly, how you can choose platforms and strategies that protect your assets. If you're a young investor just starting out and want to avoid losing money unnecessarily, this video will give you the tools to make smarter decisions. Let's get started. To better understand the problem, we need to talk about what hidden fees are and how they work. Hidden fees are costs that often go unnoticed because they aren't clear at the time of making transactions. For example, you might be paying a brokerage fee every time you buy or sell a stock, or an exit fee when you withdraw money from your account. Additionally, there are costs like wire transfer fees, custody fees, and spreads on cryptocurrency exchanges. These amounts may seem small at first, but over time they add up and directly impact your earnings. Imagine you invest $100 per month and pay $5 in fees per transaction. After 10 years, you will have lost thousands of reais just in fees, even if your investments are performing well. The issue is that many brokers structure their fees to maximize their own profits, often without transparency. Do you really know how much you're paying to invest? Or are you leaving money on the table without realizing it? Now that we understand the problem, let's talk about how to identify and compare fees to find the best options. The first step is to carefully read the contracts and fee schedules of brokers. Look for terms like management fee, spread, and custody. There are also online tools such as simulators and spreadsheets that can help you compare different brokers. For example, imagine you're deciding between two brokers, a traditional one that charges $10 per trade, and a digital one that offers reduced or zero fees. By simulating the costs over 5 years, you realize the digital broker could save you thousands of reais. Additionally, it's often possible to negotiate fees with your current broker or switch to cheaper platforms. Don't be afraid to question the costs and look for alternatives that better align with your investor profile. Another important solution is to choose low-cost platforms that offer transparency and security. Nowadays, there are several digital brokers that have practically eliminated brokerage fees, like Easy Invest, New Invest, and others. Additionally, international apps like Robinhood and eToro have gained popularity for offering low or zero fees. For those investing in cryptocurrencies, it's essential to choose reliable exchanges with low spreads and withdrawal fees, like Binance or Coinbase. A practical example: an investor who moved their stock portfolio to a digital broker saved over $5,000 in fees over 3 years. However, before switching, always check the platform's reputation and security to ensure your investments are protected. In addition to choosing the right broker, there are additional strategies you can adopt to maximize your return on investment, ROI. One of them is to automatically reinvest dividends, thus avoiding transfer fees. Another tip is to avoid excessive trading and focus on long-term investments, as each trade incurs brokerage costs. It's also worth trying to negotiate better terms with your current broker or look for service packages that offer discounts. For example, some brokers offer fee waivers for clients who maintain a minimum balance or perform a specific number of trades per month. Simulations show that by adopting these simple strategies, an investor can save hundreds or even thousands of reais annually. By applying these solutions, identifying hidden fees, choosing low-cost platforms, and adopting strategies to maximize ROI, you not only protect your assets, but also gain something even more valuable: greater control over your finances. Knowing that you're making informed decisions and avoiding unnecessary losses brings confidence and peace of mind. With the right tools, you can make your money work harder for you and build a solid financial future. Remember, the key to growing your wealth isn't just about investing wisely, but also about avoiding losing money to unnecessary fees. If this video helped you better understand how to avoid hidden fees, leave a like and share it with other investors who need these tips. Subscribe to the channel for more content on smart finance and investing. Remember, don't let hidden fees steal your financial future. With the right tools, you can make your money work harder for you. See you in the next video.